If your job can be done on a computer, there's a serious chance it can be automated. Not in 10 years, not someday, but within the next 24 months. By 2026, the global workforce will look very different. And the most surprising part isn't that AI is improving, it's how quietly it's replacing people. No headlines, no dramatic announcements, just slow, silent substitution. And most people won't realize what happened until it's too late. Today, we're breaking down 10 types of AI systems that are already replacing jobs. Not theoretically, not experimentally, but practically. But here's the twist. This isn't just about what's disappearing. It's about who survives the shift. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Let's start with something almost everyone uses. Number 1. AI writing systems. There was a time when writing was considered a uniquely human skill. Creativity, persuasion, storytelling, these were safe careers. Not anymore. AI can now write blog posts, sales pages, scripts, emails, product descriptions, and even books in seconds. It doesn't get writer's block. It doesn't need revisions for tone. It learns from feedback instantly. Companies are quietly reducing freelance budgets. Marketing teams are shrinking. One skilled AI operator can now produce the output of an entire content department. The shift doesn't look dramatic, it looks efficient. And that's why it's dangerous. Because when productivity increases by 5 times with one tool, businesses don't ask whether they should use it, they ask why they didn't sooner. Number 2. AI graphic design. Logos used to take days. Branding projects took weeks. Now you can generate 50 logo concepts in under a minute. AI design systems create thumbnails, posters, ads, social media graphics, packaging mock-ups, all instantly. No degree required. No expensive software mastery needed. For businesses, this means lower cost and faster production. For entry-level designers, it means competition just multiplied. But here's what makes this shift subtle. AI isn't replacing top creative directors. It's replacing the bottom 50%. The repeatable work, the templated work, the predictable work. And most design jobs include more of that than people realize. Number 3. AI video editing. Video editing used to be a bottleneck. It required time, precision, and skill. Now AI can remove silence automatically, add subtitles, insert music, detect highlights, generate short clips from long videos, even suggest viral hooks. Creators are posting daily content without touching a timeline. What happens when editing is no longer a specialized skill? The value shifts from execution to ideas. And that means editors who only execute without strategy are at risk. The uncomfortable truth? Even this video could be edited by AI, and most viewers wouldn't know the difference. Number 4. AI customer support. This is one of the fastest transitions happening right now. AI chat systems now handle refunds, complaints, troubleshooting, bookings, and product questions 24 hours a day. They don't get frustrated. They don't need training breaks. They don't ask for raises. And increasingly, customers don't even realize they're speaking to AI. Businesses don't frame it as replacing workers. They frame it as improving efficiency. But when an AI can handle 10,000 conversations simultaneously, entire call centers become optional. That shift isn't coming, it's already here. Number 5. AI data analysis. Data used to require teams, spreadsheets, meetings, reports. Now, AI dashboards can scan millions of data points and generate insights instantly, predicts trends, identify risks, suggest strategies. This changes more than analyst jobs. It changes decision-making speed. When executives can get instant intelligence, waiting for human analysis becomes inefficient. And in business, Inefficiency doesn't survive long. Number 6. AI recruiting and hiring. Hiring used to be deeply human. Now AI scans resumes, ranks candidates, predicts performance likelihood, and even analyzes speech patterns during interviews. Companies are using AI to filter thousands of applications before a human ever sees them, which means the first decision about your career might not be made by a person. It might be made by a system trained to optimize productivity metrics. And algorithms don't care about effort. They care about probability. Number 7. AI sales systems. This is where things get uncomfortable. AI sales agents can now respond to leads instantly, personalize responses, handle objections, and follow up automatically. Some companies are reporting higher conversion rates from AI-driven sales systems than from human representatives. Why? Because AI never hesitates. It never forgets to follow up. It never gets emotionally affected by rejection. Sales used to be about personality. Now, it's about optimization. If persuasion becomes programmable, what happens to persuasion-based careers? That question doesn't have an easy answer. Number 8. AI accounting and finance. Bookkeeping, tax calculations, invoice management, financial forecasting, all increasingly automated. AI systems reduce errors, detect fraud patterns, and generate compliance-ready reports in minutes. For small businesses, the choice becomes simple. Why hire full-time staff when software handles 80% of the workload? This doesn't eliminate expert accountants, but it drastically reduces the number needed. And when demand shrinks, competition rises. Number 9. AI journalism and content publishing. Some news platforms now use AI to generate earnings reports, sports recaps, market summaries, and even breaking news updates. The audience rarely notices, because most informational writing follows patterns, and patterns are what AI understands best. When speed and scale matter more than voice, automation wins. That doesn't kill journalism, but it transforms who gets paid for it. Number 10. AI transportation and logistics. Self-driving systems, route optimization algorithms, automated warehouses. The logistics world is evolving rapidly. Even before full autonomy becomes mainstream, AI is reducing the number of human roles required per operation. One driver becomes a fleet supervisor. One warehouse manager becomes a systems operator. It's not always a full replacement. Sometimes it's compression, and compression still removes jobs. The real shift no one talks about. Here's what most people misunderstand. AI doesn't need to be perfect to replace you. It just needs to be cheaper and good enough. Businesses don't optimize for emotion. They optimize for margins. And if an AI tool produces 80% of the quality at 20% of the cost, the decision becomes mathematical. But here's the part that changes everything. AI isn't just replacing workers. It's amplifying individuals. One person using AI can now compete with entire teams. The new divide won't be human versus AI. It will be human with AI versus human without AI. That's the real transformation happening before 2028. Not extinction, evolution. The question isn't whether AI will impact your job, it's whether you'll be the one using it or the one replaced by someone who does. Because history shows one consistent pattern. Technology doesn't wait for comfort. It rewards adaptation. So the real question becomes, when 2028 arrives, which side of the shift will you be on? Your engagement matters. Like this video, subscribe to the AI Shift Hub for ongoing coverage, and add your informed views in the comments.